Good morning, everyone. Today, July 13, 2022, we can see all Dow Jones, Nasdaq, SP 500. The whole country, even though the small one like Russo is down, and especially like big stock like Microsoft, Tesla, NVDA, AMD, and like Amazon, Meta, Apple, VIX, and even though Bitcoin kind of dropped out under 20,000. So, and especially aviation like American Airlines, Delta, United Airlines, Alaska Airlines, like AOK, a lot of big companies like GE, General Electric, and in the travel area, we can see CCL and CL, RCL is go up a little bit, but a lot of them, most of them on the market right now is went down. Good morning, traders again, and we do the stock reporting from Omaha, Nebraska, USA, 7 a.m. Central Time. Here we see US dollars up 107. Doesn't sound good at all. It's not very good news. So energy is up. You know, Retail is up a little bit, but it's still under $100. That's awesome. Financial power down 6 trade at 139. So indicate is 48 the highest and go up a little bit, $1,727.4. So 26 ticks higher. So anyway, on the general, we can see it's another down day again. That's another red day. See, it's in the special events not done yet. Hopefully from to Thursday or Friday they will be done. So what you need to know, SP 500 on Tuesday when they closed down, they lost 0.27%. Dow Jones and losses like 0.13%, and our Nasdaq 100 in index lost 0.44%, and US stock index Tuesday closed very lower than the over market was way high down because of like the COVID infection in China. That's everyone knows China is the country supply for the US a lot. That make everything slow. Then we got little affecting, just not the whole thing, because we just it doesn't affect much for the economy, and especially the supply chain or the economy activity kind of slowed down, but it's not hurt us. Just slow down, it's not hurting. So anyway, we can see is corn, wheat, sugar, coffee up a little bit. Soybean really tiny. It doesn't seem big deal at all. And Dow Jones this morning again up a little bit, 51 point, and those Nasdaq 28.7 point for SP 500. And so crude oil, the kind of getting up around 90 to 99 cents, but anyway it's still under 100. So $96 for 1 peso, that's pretty good. Natural gas adds up a little bit, 0.3 cents. So, think we got a good day, but anyway, it's still a down there. So the best for today we can do is UAL, DAL, VALE, the 0.3 cent for August 19, and GM, so 1.3 $89 for August 19. So KBH 140 for August 18. I mean around 140, 138, that's good enough. So Apple a little pricey and Microsoft a little pricey, and we just skip those two. This option area. Option give us pretty good money, but if we stuck on option, sometimes have to wait for a long time. So anyway, but you know you have to wait. If you sell it, you lose it. You wait it. Let's stay there. So this the ETFs area and SPY and QQQ is went down. Those are the best on ETFs. And by the way, TLT, LQD, and HYG, VCIT is getting up a little bit from 0.2 up to almost 0.6%, 0.59. This is getting up a little bit, but it's still kind of stable more than SPY and QQQ. AWM, like the rules is really good. So the first stock we're going to focus for today, and it's going to be GEV, GOEV. That's a GOEV. It's Cano. So this company right now is 3.8. You can drop them down by back to 3.5. As mean have to set up orders. 3.8765, even though people had them back to $3. So whatever happened won't hurt when they drop it too much. This is like close to $1 billion company, but the cap right now is $9.23 million, and there's a company out there like 4 years in California, and like almost 1,000 people work for them, kind of stable looking, and the Q1 reporting earning is a little low, but it's a Q2 is not for send them out yet. That's a little different. So if we send them out of Q2, we can see, but a lot of my students can track them when the Q2 reporting, and some of them they will see those numbers, and of course they look much better. That's why the price gained up over $1 in not even a week. So Delta profits post on this morning is $735 million profits, see strong revenue in the third Q. As Delta especially gained a little on the Q2, that means though around May is like it's already gained, but like in the Q3 it's not reporting yet, but that's what they till right now, that's their profits like, and they can guess the profits going to be around 800, because now it's not reporting and it's still, you know, like more than a couple weeks to go. And of course the profit's going to be gained more because somewhere in the US everyone kind of fly and travel a lot. And the second stock we go and take a look for today is ATRA, Atara Biotech. You know, this is bio company, and it's been 10 years on the US market, and it's in California again, and it's got like 600 employee, and the highest one is 20, lowest one is 4.6, and now it's the lowest area. It doesn't matter, like if you just, it's not the big for focus. If you like it, just buy 100 shares, 1,000 shares, just let them sit there. Next couple weeks you may get a few $1,000 on your hands. So, and the lowest one is 7.8, and highest one is 8.8. Like 7.18, 8.8, like we got like over $1.50 for this stock, so you can get 50 to 60 cent on that one, and make pretty good money on that. But right now it's still like half price, like for something, and right now we can make pretty good money. Thank you very much, have a wonderful day, and see you guys tomorrow.